Why Tokyo has much colder winters than San Francisco? I was born and bred in San Francisco, and have spent over 90% of my life in this city. Why is it that, if a straight line were drawn between Tokyo and San Francisco, it would almost be horizontal, yet Tokyo get much colder winters than San Francisco? I ask especially since both are right on the coast of huge seas, with Tokyo on the western side of the Pacific and San Francisco on the eastern side thereof. We were always taught that the Pacific evens out temperatures by making winters much warmer than other places that lie more inland. Tokyo regularly gets snow each winter, and quite a bit as well, sometimes even big blizzards. Here in San Francisco we seldom get snow, something that I hate so much. Yet more irksome as well is that the summer weather here is as hot as Tokyo nowadays, yet the winters are much hotter than in Tokyo. TLDR. Tokyo and San Francisco, at almost same latitude sharing our coast with same sea. Why Tokyo have much colder winters? San Francisco doesn't have to contend with Siberian air masses. Tokyo is much closer to land masses, which can allow for the extremes we see with continental climates. In the mid-latitudes, air masses generally move west to east. The air masses over Tokyo are coming from Eastern Asia where it's cold. The air masses over San Francisco come from the Pacific where it's much warmer. Now, you are correct when you note the Pacific does moderate Tokyo's climate. The swings in temperature there are smaller there than they are over Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia, even though they are at similar latitudes. With Tokyo on the western side of the Pacific and San Francisco on the eastern side thereof, there's your problem. Given that they are at the same latitude, the prevailing winds are flowing in the same direction, west to east. In San Francisco, this brings thermally regulated air from the ocean onto shore. In Japan, this brings air that has cooled over Asia. Regarding summer weather differences between San Francisco and Tokyo, average temperatures are still significantly cooler in San Francisco than Tokyo. But San Francisco sometimes gets hot and dry offshore winds in early fall that can result in much warmer weather. The record high in SF is 106 degrees Fahrenheit in September 2017, compared to 103 degrees in Tokyo. Tokyo is midway to Los Angeles. SF is further north. But yeah, it's the giant Sierras that keep cold Canadian air from flowing in. Tokyo is more like the US Southeast with humid summers, tropical cyclones, and somewhat mild cold winters.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next exciting video.